Panda's town is waiting for your... Oh no! A bad guy just hid in the supermarket! Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a green vest, brown pants, and a blue scarf around his neck. Now find out where the bad guy is. Awesome! Thank you! You're welcome! What happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Quogo, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. You found Quogo's dad! You're awesome! Officer Kiki, it's terrible! My purse has been stolen! Can you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. Go, go, go! Ah! You found my purse! Thank you so much! You're welcome! It's my duty! Officer Kiki, mission accomplished!
Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light.
is almost out of gas. Fill it up. Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car. Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here? The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out. Hank, what's going on? I want to share the toys with my friends, but I can't find them. Can you help? No problem. Let's look for them together. find Officer Tiki if you need help. Little Panda's town